Nestled in the heart of Sonoma County, Santa Rosa is a charming city renowned for its picturesque landscapes, vibrant art scene, and rich history. With its proximity to world-class wineries, stunning natural parks, and unique cultural attractions, Santa Rosa offers a diverse array of experiences for every type of traveler. This comprehensive travel guide will take you through 12 must-visit attractions and tourist spots in Santa Rosa, ensuring you have an engaging and unforgettable visit. Let's embark on a journey to discover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Santa Rosa a captivating destination. 1. Charles M. Schulz Museum and Research Center. The Charles M. Schulz Museum and Research Center is a must-visit for fans of the beloved Peanuts comic strip. Dedicated to the life and work of Charles M. Schulz, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the creative mind behind Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and the entire Peanuts gang. Visitors can explore original comic strips, rare memorabilia, and interactive exhibits that celebrate Schulz's enduring legacy. The museum also features a replica of Schulz's studio, where he created his iconic characters, and a beautiful outdoor sculpture garden. With its engaging displays and nostalgic charm, the Charles M. Schulz Museum is a delightful experience for visitors of all ages. 2. Luther Burbank Home and Gardens. The ** Luther Burbank Home and Gardens ** is a historic site dedicated to the life and work of renowned horticulturist Luther Burbank. This beautifully preserved property showcases Burbank's contributions to plant breeding and agricultural innovation. Visitors can tour Burbank's former home, explore the meticulously maintained gardens, and learn about the various plant varieties he developed. The gardens feature a diverse array of flowers, trees, and shrubs, many of which were introduced by Burbank himself. The site also offers educational programs, guided tours, and seasonal events that highlight the importance of horticulture and environmental conservation. 3. Safari West. For a truly unique and unforgettable experience, head to ***. Safari West ***, a wildlife preserve that offers an African safari adventure right in the heart of California. Home to over 900 animals representing more than 90 species, Safari West allows visitors to embark on guided tours and get up close with giraffes, zebras, cheetahs, and more. The preserve's lush natural habitat provides an immersive setting for wildlife viewing, photography, and educational encounters. Safari West also offers overnight glamping accommodations, allowing guests to stay in luxurious safari tents and enjoy the sights and sounds of the African wilderness. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or an animal lover, Safari West is a must-visit destination. 4. Annadel State Park. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to love at ***. Annadel State Park ***, a sprawling natural area offering a diverse range of recreational activities. The park features over 40 miles of hiking, mountain biking, and equestrian trails that wind through scenic woodlands, meadows, and rolling hills. Lake Il Sanjo, located within the park, is a popular spot for fishing and picnicking. The park's diverse ecosystems provide a habitat for a wide variety of wildlife, making it a great destination for birdwatching and nature photography. Annadel State Park is a year-round playground for outdoor adventures, offering stunning landscapes and serene escapes just a short drive from downtown Santa Rosa. 5. Railroad Square Historic District. The ** Railroad Square Historic District ** is the heart of Santa Rosa's downtown area, offering a charming blend of history, shopping, dining, and entertainment. This beautifully preserved district features historic buildings dating back to the early 20th century, many of which now house boutique shops, antique stores, art galleries, and restaurants. Visitors can stroll along the tree-lined streets, explore unique local businesses, and enjoy delicious cuisine at one of the many eateries. The district also hosts a variety of events throughout the year, including farmers markets, live music performances, and seasonal festivals. Railroad Square is a vibrant and welcoming destination that captures the essence of Santa Rosa's community spirit. 6. Sonoma County Museum. The ** Sonoma County Museum, ***, also known as the Museum of Sonoma County, is dedicated to preserving and showcasing the art, history, and culture of the region. The museum features rotating exhibits that highlight the area's rich heritage, from its Native American roots to its agricultural and winemaking traditions. The art gallery showcases works by local and regional artists, offering a diverse array of contemporary and historical pieces. The museum's beautiful grounds and historic buildings provide an inviting setting for exploring Sonoma County's past and present. Educational programs, workshops, and special events make the Sonoma County Museum a dynamic and engaging cultural destination. 7. Spring Lake Regional Park. Spring Lake Regional Park. Is a popular destination for outdoor recreation and relaxation. This expansive park features a 72-acre lake, perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. The park also offers numerous picnic areas, playgrounds, and a swimming lagoon that is ideal for families. With miles of multi-use trails, visitors can enjoy hiking, biking, and jogging while taking in the scenic views of the lake and surrounding woodlands. The park's campground provides opportunities for overnight stays, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of Spring Lake. Whether you're looking for adventure or tranquility, Spring Lake Regional Park has something for everyone. 8. Armstrong Redwoods State Natural Reserve. Just a short drive from Santa Rosa, the Armstrong Redwoods State Natural Reserve offers a breathtaking experience of towering redwood trees and serene forest landscapes. The reserve features a network of easy to moderate hiking trails that wind through ancient groves, allowing visitors to marvel at these majestic giants up close. Highlights include the Parson Jones tree, the tallest tree in the reserve, and the Colonel Armstrong tree, estimated to be over 1,400 years old. The reserve also offers picnic areas and an outdoor amphitheater for educational programs and events. Armstrong Redwoods is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and those seeking a peaceful escape into the beauty of the redwood forest. 9. Santa Rosa. Original Certified Farmers Market. For a taste of local flavor, visit the Santa Rosa. Original Certified Farmers Market ***. Held year-round, this vibrant market offers a wide selection of fresh produce, artisanal foods, and handmade crafts from local vendors. Visitors can browse stalls filled with seasonal fruits and vegetables, freshly baked goods, gourmet cheeses, and much more. The market also features live music, cooking demonstrations, and family-friendly activities, creating a lively and welcoming atmosphere. Supporting local farmers and artisans, the Santa Rosa Farmers Market is a great place to experience the community spirit and culinary delights of the region. 10. Kendall-Jackson Wine Estate and Gardens. No visit to Santa Rosa would be complete without exploring its renowned wine country. The Kendall-Jackson Wine Estate and Gardens offers a premier wine tasting experience in a picturesque setting. Visitors can tour the estate's stunning gardens, which showcase a variety of flowers, herbs, and vegetables used in the estate's culinary offerings. The wine tasting room features a selection of award-winning wines, including Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, and Cabernet Sauvignon. Guests can also enjoy food and wine pairings, vineyard tours, and educational programs that highlight the winemaking process. The Kendall-Jackson Wine Estate and Gardens provides a luxurious and immersive experience for wine enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. 11. Howarth Park is a family-friendly destination offering a wide range of recreational activities. The park features a beautiful lake with paddle boat and kayak rentals, a miniature train ride, and a carousel. Kids will love the large playground and the animal farm, while adults can enjoy the picnic areas, tennis courts, and hiking trails. The park also hosts seasonal events and outdoor movie nights, making it a lively community hub. With its diverse amenities and scenic setting, Howarth Park is a perfect spot for a fun-filled day with family and friends. 12 Luther Burbank Center for the Arts is a premier performing arts venue that hosts a wide range of events, including concerts, theater productions, dance performances, and educational programs. The center's state-of-the-art facilities and diverse programming make it a cultural cornerstone of Santa Rosa. Visitors can enjoy performances by world-renowned artists, attend workshops and classes, and explore the art gallery, showcasing works by local and regional artists. The Luther Burbank Center for the Arts provides a dynamic and enriching experience for audiences of all ages, fostering a love for the arts in the community. Santa Rosa, with its diverse attractions and vibrant community, offers a rich tapestry of experiences for travelers seeking adventure, culture, and relaxation. From the historic landmarks and cultural institutions to the stunning natural parks and world-class wineries, this complete travel guide has highlighted 12 must-visit attractions and tourist spots that showcase the best of Santa Rosa. Whether you're exploring the city's artistic heritage, enjoying outdoor activities in its beautiful parks, or indulging in the culinary delights of its farmers markets and wineries, Santa Rosa promises an engaging and unforgettable journey. So pack your bags, embrace the warmth and charm of this delightful city, and get ready to discover the many wonders of Santa Rosa, California.